I'm Abraham Lincoln. I was born in a log cabin in Kentucky on February 12, 1809. My mom died when I was 9 years old. I was 6 feet and 4 inches tall when I was only 17 years old. I believe that all states shall have rights and people should have more rights. I became the 16th President of the United States of America. When I was president, Civil War broke out mostly about slavery. In 1863, I ordered the Emancipation Proclamation, which freed all slaves. My most famous speech is the Gettysburg Address. It starts like this. 407 years ago, our Father brought forth on this continent a new nation, conserved in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal, as like this, that this nation under God shall have a new birth of freedom, and that government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth. I lived until 1865, when one day I was at the theater watching a play, and a man came and shot me in the head. I picked Abraham Lincoln because he's my favorite president, and I like that he believed in freedom for all people. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.